Everyone wishes they bought Nvidia before it exploded 100 times. But right now, 5 overlooked stocks are flashing the same signals. And I'm counting them down. Stock number 1, a household name with an AI engine nobody's talking about. Stock number 3, Nvidia's actual rival. And stock number 5, total curveball. Wait, a casino company. Ugh. Stick around. You're going to want to see this twist. Stock number 1 is hiding in plain sight and could become the UI of the entire AI revolution. Adobe isn't just Photoshop anymore. With Firefly, they're becoming the visual engine of AI, generating images, video, and design elements directly inside Creative Cloud. The kicker? It's copyright safe. Something no other AI image model is really offering at scale. And here's the twist. Firefly is already generating revenue from pros and enterprise teams. Wait, what? Adobe posted $2 billion in free cash flow last quarter, trades at a forward PE of 50, and yet most people still think it's just for photographers. Mic drop? This is the Photoshop of the AI generation. Your move. Would you bet on Adobe over Midjourney? Drop it below. Number 2. Data is the new sneaker drop. Adobe's building the tools. But what if a sneaker giant is quietly building the data empire to match it? Nike isn't just hype drops. It's now a tech-driven logistics machine. The SNKRS app plus Nike Fit is collecting millions of foot scans and behavior data, used to predict demand, price launches, and optimize returns. Nearly half of Nike's sales are now direct-to-consumer, giving them even more data control. And here's the unlock. This isn't about sneakers. It's about owning buyer behavior across lifestyle verticals. Wait, sneakers and machine learning? Yes, Nike's investing in real AI modeling, and their stock is trading 30% below ATH, while margins bounce back. Mic drop. Data is the new sneaker drop. Your take. Is Nike now a tech company in disguise? 2 down. But stock number 3 is Nvidia's real competition. This isn't speculative. This is war. AMD's new MI300X chips are shipping now and being deployed by Microsoft, Meta, and other hyperscalers. These chips are designed specifically for AI workloads, with more memory bandwidth than Nvidia's H100. Wait, what? Did Microsoft just pick AMD over Nvidia?
Yes. And AMD expects over $4 billion in AI revenue by end of next year. And here's the twist. AMD trades at 42x earnings. Nvidia over 70x. Mic drop? This chip war just got a new challenger. Would you take AMD over Nvidia in 2025? Listen, if you missed Nvidia before the shit run, this might be your redemption arc. Especially stock number 4, because it's the one nobody's watching. Stock number 4 is not a tech company, but it's quietly using AI to do what Starbucks did with coffee. Here's the kicker. Cheesecake Factory is rolling out. Predictive scheduling, AI kitchen tools, data-driven menu ops, all boosting efficiency and improving margins. They're applying tech across owned brands. North Italia, Flower Child, each tailored to specific market segments. Revenue up 6%. Margins improving, trades at just 16x forward earnings. And here's the unlock. It's not about cheesecake, it's about scaling full-service luxury like Starbucks scaled caffeine. The Starbucks playbook, but for upscale dining. Quick poll, restaurant tech? Overhyped or just getting started? A casino? Wait, what? But the tech Wynn is building might make half of Silicon Valley look slow. Wynn is crafting AI concierge systems, dynamic room and offer personalization, mood-based lighting, emotion-sensing luxury, and there's more. Blockchain loyalty, metaverse experiences, real-to-digital luxury bridges. EBITDA up 38%. Valuation? Just 10x EVF EBITDA? And here's the twist. While other resorts chase foot traffic, Wynn is building a digital playground for high rollers. Not just a resort, a digital luxury gateway. Your play, is Wynn a sleeper tech stock in disguise? These aren't meme stocks or hype coins. They're real businesses, with cash flow AI strategies real upside. Some could 3x, one might 10x. And if you're waiting for CNBC to tell you, you'll already be too late. Want to see how Adobe actually compares to Nvidia on cash flow and AI revenue? I've got the chart, say the word in the comments. Or follow now, next week, 3 under $10 AI stocks with breakout potential.